Hi guys! Yes, the sun is shining and it's 3.5 degrees Celsius now. When I woke up it was -1 degrees and I'm on 50% battery, which is normal because I have to heat a lot because it's cold and I want it on 22 degrees inside. I'm still freezing on my feet, so sometimes I take my feet out of the shoes and then I sit on them like that and then they become warmer and then I can't feel them anymore and then I put them back into the shoes. This is my second latte macchiato. The first one is always for free. It's not for free, it's included in the parking fee. I'm on a, I don't know what, I know how you call it. I have to remember it. Because Katie Carney, the one who inspired me to live in my car, and also Thilo Vogel, but you only know Katie Carney because you only speak English. If not, you can also watch Thilo Vogel, but so she, yeah, it's called Truck Stop. Yes. So I'm on a truck stop, which I don't normally do because it costs something. But my trailer will be delivered next week, and then I need a parking space for the trailer because the tiny house place, I will only get it when the permission is, I don't know, is written. So I need it in written that I have a permission to construct the A-frame cabin on my trailer, and then I get the tiny house parking lot space, pitch, whatever. And yeah, about the challenge, you can see everything on 365 steps once a week. Yeah, and see you